Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SLP video update for 21 June, and right now this SLP is looking to actually try to, it's trying to move to the upside. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you very quickly this resistance line and just a very quick comment on this one and what the next technical target is going to be. So I highly expect SLP on a daily time frame to break this level and tomorrow potentially come back for the retest of the 4000 and move to the upside. So the next technical target out of this one is going to be from there to there, and you're looking from something here from up here to down here, and that could be a nice lovely move to 520. Okay, so if it goes to the 520 and you take an entry right there, you're looking for a 30% pump to the upside. Isn't that really beautiful? So let's actually dive into the daily, and I'm going to show you how the daily time frame looks like. Yesterday I actually left you with this comment right here that you really have to come up here and break this line, and as far as I see things, SLP is interested to do that. So if you look at SLP going up here and comes for the retest, take the entry there. That would be amazing entry with a stop loss down here to 388 and ride it all the way up to the heavens to the 520. Okay, and that's all in this update, nothing else, nothing superb. Break the trend line, go for the retest, take the entry, put a stop loss, ride it all the way, take your money, and follow this channel as well. And that's it for today's update. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.